Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today we're gonna discuss about narrative text in understanding the structure and purpose. What is the narrative text? Narrative text is the type of the text that the recounts or event or incident to entertain the reader. It usually takes the form of fictional stories such as a fable, legend, or folktale. It can be imaginary, fiction, or based on real events. The main goal is to entertain the reader while possibly sharing a lesson or moral. And this purpose of the narrative text. And first, to amuse or entertain the reader or listener. Second, to share experience in an interesting way. And the last one, often to teach a moral or value. For examples like a fable not only to entertain but also give a life lesson like honestly is the best policy. So here and type of narrative text. First, fable. Fable is story with animals acting like human. For examples like the tortoise and the hare. Second, legend. Legend is story based on historical events or folklore. For examples like Malin Kundang. Third, fairy tale. Fairy tale is magical story with the fantasy characters. Like example, Cinderella. Its type has different character, settings, and message but follow a similar structure. So the structure of narrative text. The first is orientation. It's like who, when, and where the story happens. Complication, there's the problem or conflict appears. 3. Resolution is the problem is solved. And last, optional or reorientation, a closing, a statement, or moral. The first for orientation. Orientation is introduce the character and settings, like set the background of the story. Example, like once upon a time, there was a clever rabbit living in the forest. This part help the reader know who the story is about and where it's happened. Second is like complication. The first, the main problem or conflict is presented, build suspense or interest. Examples like a lion came to the forest and began to eat other animals. Without this, the story would be flat or boring. Resolution. Resolution, the story reaches the climax and the problem is solved. Can be happy, sad, or surprising. The examples like the rabbit tricked the lion into falling into a well. The resolution bring satisfaction or listen to the reader. Language feature. Language feature is like past tense verbs like walk, saw, and live. Time connectors. Once upon a time, then suddenly, and then finally. Action verbs, ran, jump, shout. And last, adjective adverbs, clever a rabbit, quickly ran. These elements make the story vivid and easy to imagine. Example, the clever rabbit. For example, their orientation, a clever rabbit lived in the forest. Complication, a lion threatened the animals. Resolution, the rabbit tricked the lion into the well. And moral, intelligence can be strengths. The story teach that being smart can help overcome difficult situations. The second examples like vocabulary in narrative text. Common words. There's brave, clever, evil, forest, trick, escape, help, run, scream, and trap. These words often appear in a narrative text and are useful for telling or writing stories. Reading practice. Activity. Read the story The Lion and the Mouse. The mouse. Identify orientation, complication, and resolution. Discuss the moral of the story. Help students understand how stories are built and what they want to teach. Writing practice. Activity: write a short narrative text using a picture or your imagination. Follow the structure is orientation, complication, and resolution. Student developed creativity, grammar skill, and storytelling abilities. Pancasila student profile. Develop values is the creativity, design original story or character. Second, global diversity. Exploring stories from various cultures. Critical thinking, understanding story problems and solution. Independence, completing a storytelling project. Narrative learning helps shape well-rounded and value-driven student. And the last example for the clever rabbit. Orientation: a clever rabbit lives in the forest. Complication: a lion trained the animals. Resolution: the rabbit tricked the lion into the well. And moral: intelligence can be trained. This story teaches that being smart can help overcome difficult situations. I think it's enough for my presentation for today. So thank you for listening.